Vocal chops, we all love them. They're so hard to get right. I've just recorded an amazing 2-hour video on how to do the vocal chops, and we've spent a lot of time getting different variations and getting everything right and set up. I'm just going to play you a little bit of it now, and yeah, listen, subscribe and you get 20 hours a month of videos just like this. $40 a month, 20 hours of HD video, free templates, a shitload of free content, mentorship, guidance, $40 a month. Sign up now.